All right, today's adventure. We're in Sierra Madre. This is a 16-unit building. Bathroom number 1, right there. Bathroom number 2. It's not draining. We tried to snake it from the top. We tried to snake it from the bottom. There was another plumber out here, did the same. They did it from the vent. They couldn't get it. So, this is what we found yesterday. So that we're directly below the bathrooms. Look at that trap on its side like that. Look at that. So this is the tub, and this is the drain for the 2 bathrooms I just showed you on the exterior. So I popped this off yesterday and snaked it from the bathroom directly above the floor here. Stuck it in as far as I could, came down here and looked into the clean out, and the snake was not popping through the combi there. And it actually felt like something was stuck in there because my snake kept binding up. So what we're gonna do is zip it and then replace it probably down to here. So look at that old oakum. It's oakum. Yeah, so we're gonna replace this whole thing, as well as we'll go into the first unit on the first floor and cut that all out as well. Packed. Look at that, man. Wow. Packed. Jeez, dude. That's incredible. Incredible. All right, we got it strapped here, right here. It's on this beam or whatever this is called, and then put in the combi right there. Basically what's going on is this is the drain I tried to clear it from yesterday. I cut that off so I could see the snake going down. And there's something metal in there that wouldn't allow my snake to clear it. So I got to open up this wall, cut it out, and then stick 1.5 inch ABS down there. Okay, cut it out, and that problem area was in between the floors, and there was a rock in there that we found. Just but get hung up. This is literally what we found right here. That's an actual rock. That's not calcium buildup or anything. It was in this section of pipe right here. It's pretty crazy, dude. First time I found a rock in something. Okay, so the pipe is run. Now we just install that and we're done. All right, there you go. All the way down. Now let's test the drain. Install this real quick. Drywall's all done.